Hi, my name's Theresa, and I was a very desperate person when I came in to see Dr. Beyer. I was having many issues, mostly with my thyroid. It scared me a lot. My resting heart rate was 122 beats a minute. I couldn't get up and walk across the room without it raising above that. This was lying in bed, not doing anything. I'm a breast cancer survivor. I have high blood pressure. I had high cholesterol. I had acid reflux. But like I said, the scariest thing for me was the heart rate caused by hyperthyroidism. So I go see an endocrinologist, and of course they put me on medication. And I look see an ad in the paper, are you having thyroid problems still? So I came in to see Dr. Beyer and went to a seminar.
And you came in with Stanley.
Oh yeah, my husband came with. Now
Okay.
he has been a big health advocate for a long time and say, Theresa, try this, Theresa, try this, do this, do this. There's something wrong here. Well, we came in, we listened to Dr. Beyer, and we liked what he said and figured, what do we have to lose? We're coming in, we're gonna try this, at least do the testing, at least do everything. Give it a shot. Well, came in, October 9th, I actually started the program. October 9th, 2017. My heart rate dropped to normal. In December, I saw my general practitioner. They took me off of all my blood pressure medication, off of my cholesterol medication. My endocrinologist called and told me quit taking my thyroid medication immediately because it completely switched from one end to the other. I had a sleep study done during this time because I did have sleep apnea, and I did say did. Sleep apnea is gone. I've lost over 40 pounds, even when I wasn't trying to. We went to Disneyland with our grandkids, and I did something I never thought I could do, get in and out of rides, which I could not do before. Hang on to everything and slowly ease yourself in, ease yourself out. I was hopping and I felt like a mountain goat. It was great. And all that. It is unbelievable. People see me, they don't know what happened, how it happened, and they want to know, how did you lose the weight? I didn't try to lose weight. The weight left by itself. My heart rate is now about 70 beats a minute. I can walk, I can do different things. My blood pressure is a little on the lowish side from high and uncontrollable. My cholesterol is normal. No acid reflux. All of my body functions are functioning the way they're supposed to. And I've been singing Dr. Beyer's praises and Alexa's praises because she's been leading me with the diet, what to eat, what not to eat, what is good for you, and basically finding out all the things that are no good that we've been eating and consuming. And if it's so delicious, it's mostly chemicals. And if you can get away from all that, it's great. And I am so thankful. Both of us. Side effect on this, I eat, my husband eats what I eat. So when he's eating what I eat, he lost 25 pounds. His blood pressure medication was cut in half. He's off his cholesterol medication, and he's off his diabetes medicine. And this was just going along, following with me. So God bless these two people. They've been fantastic.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Theresa.